Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious okwa with a corn. Don't go away, keep watching. And this is the okwa we are using today. I have here 3 cups of dry okwa. So today I'm using dry one. I have a video where I used fresh okwa, that is fresh breadfruit, to cook. Check that out. I will leave the link in this video. So for today's own, I am using dry okwa. I'm going to wash this thoroughly and then we'll start cooking. If you don't have pressure pot or if you don't have potash, you can soak it for some hours to soften it because it's so dried. But I'll be using pressure pot, so I don't need to soak it first. All I'll do now is to wash it thoroughly and add to my pressure pot. And I'll be adding these 2 cups of fresh cooked corn. Add more if you have more, but I have only 2 cups remaining in my house. And then I add everything into the pot, pour water to cover it, and they start cooking. After the 3rd whistle from the pressure pot, I put off the gas and allow it to cool down before I continue. The breadfruit is well cooked and soft. This took about 20 minutes to cook. And here are the ingredients I'll be adding. I have some shredded roasted chicken and the fish, and I have pepper mixed here. There I have blended pepper, onions, and ginger and garlic. And here I have palm oil, salt, and seasoning cube. I will then add everything into the pot and mix. After cooking for about 10 minutes, I then stir and test for salt and pepper. The salt and pepper weren't enough, so I added more. Stir it very well. Cover and allow to cook for 5 more minutes, and then our okwa will be ready. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please send in your own plate by clicking the like button and I will serve yours. Thank you all. I love you all. Please don't forget to share the video and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.